morning. Today is a glorious day. You know why it's a glorious day? Me either.
Take a picture of that hot guy I saw with no shirt on all the way here, like with my phone, but then I was driving too fast. I was like, Mom, 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 and she's like, Eva, you're not gonna take pictures of creepy guys. I'm like, oh, he's so hot. But you can't even see it. This doesn't show it.
They're pretty funny. What if you you can oh, you know. So Jordan, how are you today? Why is it up so high? Like we're down here. How are you? Lols, lols. OMG, homegirl.
Right this
now.
second.
Right now.
I say, hey, you're coming to wave pool.
Yeah, that's what she's gonna say, and you're gonna get it.
Into the J's, Jordan Ames, text message. Hey, you are coming to the wave pool.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Coming. There it is. Jordan Ames. Hey, you're coming to the wave pool tomorrow.
Caleb Bright.
Ew. Pinky?
Pinky. It says, I love
jam.
Alyssa more than I ever loved you. Well, I have news for you, Caleb. I never loved you.
Bitch.
Are these people naked?
Hopefully.
Oh. Cause
Let's
go! Get away, get away, get away, get away.
Ow, I hurt.
I'm FAO.
I know, I'm trying to. How do I say lols? Like, slamo. Slum.
Umfla. Umfla.
Brother man. Is that the wizard? Yeah. Ow! Something like that.
Bye, Jordan.
Bye.
Peace, love, and Duchess.